मतलब Finideas, and we are SEBI registered investment advisor. We are from Finideas. The disclaimer is that equity investments are subject to market risk. Kindly consult your financial advisor before having any kind of investments. Friends, Finideas is dealing with more than 75 members of exchange as of now. We are India's 26th company who have registered their algorithm with exchange. Until now, we have trained more than 60,000 traders and investors for equity investments. The mission of Finideas is providing transparent solution to everyone for achieving financial freedom. People should achieve financial freedom. For that, Finideas is working. And the vision of Finideas is Finideas will manage wealth of rupees 6,000 crores and serve HNIs and members of exchange globally by 31st March 2023. Friends, we are having our presence in 6 countries as of now: India, USA, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Oman, and Germany, and 18 cities in India. So if you want to have any kind of local support, you can get from these locations. Until now, we have completed almost 380 plus webinars. More than 59,000 plus people have registered. More than 28,000 plus people have participated. And around 490 crore AUA we are managing as of now in index long-term strategy. So what exactly the index long-term strategy is, that we are going to learn today. किस तरह से low risk के अंदर में अच्छे return generate होते हैं, that we will understand. So whenever we start this presentation, we always start this presentation with the example of properties. People invest money in properties. Why? Because property provides us 2 confidence. Confidence number 1, that property can't become zero. Property zero nahi hoti. And confidence number 2, that if we can hold it, sooner or later we grow. अपने आप देर सवेर property का price बढ़ जाता है. But when we invest money in equities, we don't get this kind of confidence. If our view goes wrong, then equity can become zero also. That means we are having high risk in equities, as well as we can generate good returns also in equities. But our objective was not to take this kind of high risk. Please understand it again. Our objective is not to take this kind of high risk. So to reduce the risk, we have taken 2 decisions. Decision number 1, that we are not going to trade individual equities. No direct equities. So direct equity में investment नहीं करेंगे, इसका क्या meaning? That means no direct shares, no Reliance, no Tata Steel, no Suzlon, no Edgecom. So if we will not invest money in equities, where are we going to invest money? कहाँ पैसा invest करेंगे? We will invest money in index. There are mainly 2 exchanges in India, BSE and NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. The index name of BSE is Sensex. My question to all of you is, what is the index name of NSE? Like index name of BSE is Sensex, what is the index name of NSE? My dear friends, the more you guys are going to participate, the more you are going to learn. And the more you will learn, the more you are going to earn. Fantastic. Very nice. Very nice. So the index name of NSE is Nifty. What exactly the Nifty is? क्या है Nifty? Nifty is the average of top 50 stocks of country. India के top 50 stocks का average है. Today those top 50 stocks consist Reliance, TCS, HDFC Bank, etc. But before some time, we were having Satyam, Arcom also in those 50 stocks. Later on, what happened? As soon as their price has fallen down, it reached to 51 number. It automatically moved out. And some new stocks came in. What does it mean? It means that weak stocks automatically moved out. कमजोर चीजें अपने आप बाहर निकल गई इंडेक्स में से, और strong companies automatically came into the index. So the point is very simple, but it is giving us a fantastic confidence, because if index is the average of top 50 stocks of country only, it indirectly provides us the confidence that index can't become zero. Index कभी zero नहीं हो सकता. Index घट सकता है. Index may fall down, it may go up, but it cannot become zero, because it is the average of top 50 stocks of country. Come on. If you agree with this, write down yes. Write down, yes, if you agree with this, that yes, index cannot become zero. It may fall down, it may go up, but it can't become zero. Fantastic. Now let us understand how we calculate the index. Before some time, the valuation of Reliance was around 13 lakh crore. 13 lakh crore tha Reliance ka valuation. TCS valuation was 12 lakh crore. If we add all the 50 stocks valuation, it was around 117 lakh crore, and this 117 lakh crore was equal to 15,000 index. What does it mean? It means that as soon as the price of individual stock rises, the company value will go up. As soon as the company value will go up, automatically this total will go up and the index will go up. और ऐसे इंडेक्स टूटता भी है. जब स्टॉक के प्राइस टूटते हैं तो कंपनी का वैल्यू टूटेगा, टोटल टूटेगा तो इंडेक्स टूट जाएगा. Now I am having a very intelligent question to you. The question is, if today we are having the richest company of India with the valuation of 13 lakh crore, then whoever will become the superpower of India after 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20 years, after 20 years, whoever will be the superpower of India, richest company of India at that time, should have the valuation above 13 lakh crore. So logically, it should have the valuation above 13 lakh crore. Yes or no? Though it is not guaranteed. But logically, whoever will become the superpower of India after 5, 10, 15, 20 years, that company should have the valuation above 13 lakh crore. And if that will be above 13 lakh crore, then the total of 50 stocks at that time will have the joint valuation above 117 lakh crore, top 50 stocks. And simultaneously the index will be above 15,000. बात एकदम simple है. That whatever confidence we have got from the properties, that property can't become zero, sooner or later it rises. Both the confidence we are getting from the index of that country. Index भी हमको ये दोनों confidence देता है. Because it is the average of top 50 stocks, it cannot become zero. And because it is directly related with the market capitalization. So weak stocks automatically moves out. Strong stocks automatically comes in. So sooner or later, it is going to create new high. Look at the graph of index since inception. Thousands of times it has gone up, thousands of times it has fallen down. But what is the learning? After some time, it creates new high. Again, fell down, created new high. Fallen down, created new high. Fallen down, created new high, and so on. Because it keeps that quality that normally retail people can't keep, and that quality is that it always removes the weak stock, it always covers the strong stocks. So sooner or later it creates new high. So my question to all of you, the question is going to come on your screen. Have you done any kind of investments in equities or mutual fund till date? If you have done any kind of investments in equities or mutual fund, click on yes, else click on no. Very good, fantastic. You guys are participating in a very nice way. I'm very happy to see your replies, everyone. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Great, friends. I'm very happy to share that 84% audience says that yes, we have done some or other kind of investments in equities or mutual funds, while 16% people are completely new to this market. What we need to do? So my dear friends, it is sharp 4:15 as of now. We will complete our session at sharp 5:15 in 60 minutes. So just 60 minutes to go. But these 60 minutes, what you need to do? You need to participate very actively. Why you need to participate? Because when you participate, you are going to remain activated. You are going to understand the complete strategy with practical manner. And as soon as you will understand it properly, you can implement these ideas in your investments. So it is very important. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you many questions during these 60 minutes. And you need to give the answers on chat. So be ready with this. And now we are starting the concept called equity plus safety makes prosperity. We believe that for growth, equity is very important. But with equity, we need safety also. Otherwise, हम पेपर पे ही करोड़पति बने और पेपर पे ही हमने लॉस कर लिए. So if we can add safety with equity, then we can get the prosperity in our life. So how we can do this in our equity market? So first we will buy equity index. We already understood that why to invest money in index, because index can't become zero. Sooner or later it rises. So we will buy equity index. Just for an example, assume it that index is running at 10,000. So what you will do? You will invest 10,000 rupee and you will get the delivery of index. Now, if market will go up, you are going to earn money. And when index will fall down, you are going to lose. But we don't want to lose. We want safety. What we will do? Additionally, we will buy the protection. In financial market, this protection is called put option. What exactly the put option is? Put option gives us right to sell. It provides us downside protection. This is similar like we are buying car insurance. We pay the premium, we get the insurance. If car met with an accident, we will get the claim. Otherwise, we will lose that premium. The same way, when you buy the put option, if market will fall down, you will get the claim. You will get the difference. Otherwise, your premium will go. Looking at past 8-9 years experience, this annual put option comes around 5% a year. What does it mean? That means if underlying stock is having 10,000 rupee value, if index is having 10,000 value, then you need to pay around 500 rupee more against the premium. So for others, the cost of index was 10,000. For us, it reached to 10,500. So we have paid little bit more, but simultaneously we have got the fantastic confidence that because of any reason, if market will fall down, then in any case, in any situation, our 10,000s are going to remain protected. Our principal is going to remain protected. My maximum loss is this premium only. So that indirectly means, suppose you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. I am taking the example of 1 crore here. Don't worry, you can do all these things with a small amount also. So suppose you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. So in full 1 year, in any case, in any situation, your money can't go below 9,500, that is 95 lakhs. So the maximum risk you are having is 5% only. This is the great feature of this strategy. The downside, you are having limited risk. But what will be its side impact? So its side effect is that because of any reason, if market remains at the same level for a year, पूरे साल index 10,000 का 10,000 ही रह गया, then whatever premium we have paid, that we are going to lose. Yes or no? Come on. If because of any reason market remains at the same level, then whatever premium we have paid, that we are going to lose. Yes or no? Everyone. Fantastic. Very nice. So those who are participating in active manner, obviously they are going to understand the complete strategy very nicely. So the question comes that what can become the worst case scenario? खराब से खराब क्या हो सकता है? Let us see that. So worst case scenario become like this, that suppose in 2022 index is running at 10,000. 4 years has gone. We have reached to 2026, but still index is running at 10,000 only. Ultimately, this is stock market, so anything can happen. So if market remains at the same level for 4 years, then whatever premium we have paid during these 4 years, that we are going to lose. Yes or no? If market remains constant for 4 years, then whatever premium we have paid during these 4 years against the premium, that we are going to lose. Suppose you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. My dear friend, this is the most important slide of this presentation. If you can understand this slide properly, you can understand complete presentation very easily. So just understand this slide properly. At 10,000, suppose you have made the portfolio of 1 crore. In between 2023, 24, 25, index has gone up. Like 2019, index has gone from 10,000 to 12,000. And then it has fallen down. Again, it has gone up. Like 2020, market has fallen down. 2021, it has gone up. Again, has fallen down. You have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. So you will buy the protection also by paying 5 lakh rupee war. Next year, market has gone up from 10 to 12. Index has gone up by 20%. You have made the portfolio at 10,000 of rupees 1 crore. My question, if market moves from 10 to 12, what will be the value of your portfolio? Come on, everyone. Index has gone up by 20%. What will be the value of your portfolio? At 10,000 level, you have made the portfolio of rupees 1 crore. Now it has reached to 12,000. It has gone up by 20%. What will be the value of your portfolio? Fantastic. So you will reach to 1.2 crore. Though you are going to earn 15 lakhs only, because 5 lakh rupee you have paid against the premium. Now the question comes that next year you would like to protect 1 crore portfolio or 1.2 crore portfolio. Now the value of your portfolio is 1.2 crore. So obviously you will like to protect 1.2 crore portfolio. So as the portfolio valuation has gone up, you need to pay more premium. So instead of 5 lakh, now you need to pay 6 lakh rupee. Next year market has fallen down. Index has fallen down from 12,000 to 8,000. So it has fallen down by 33%. 1/3 market toot gaya. So market has fallen down by 33%. My question is, what will be the value of your portfolio? Index 12,000 का 8,000 हो गया, 33% टूट गया है. आपका पोर्टफोलियो कहां पहुंचेगा? Everyone. So Sanjeet, your point is that what happens if you bought Nifty? Obviously you have bought Nifty and simultaneously you have bought the put option. So when market has gone up, your portfolio will reach to 1.2 crore and this 5 lakh rupee premium that you are going to lose. Yes or no, Sanjeet? Did you get this point? Now the question is, next year you have protected 1.2 crore portfolio. That means 12,000 ka strike ka protection you have taken. And next year market has fallen down from 12 to 8. So index has fallen down by 33%. Your portfolio of 1.2 crore will remain constant to 1.2 crore only. This is the beauty of this strategy. Logically, people who have given the answer 80 lakhs, that is also correct. Logically, this 1.2 crore portfolio will reach to 80 lakhs. But whatever amount you have lost, that is 40 lakh rupee, that you are going to get back from this put option. ये put option आपने इसीलिए तो खरीदा था, that whenever market will fall down, you will get the difference. So 80 lakhs का portfolio, 40 lakh rupee you will get back from this put option. What you will do from that 40 lakh rupee? उस 40 lakh से क्या करोगे? You will buy the new shares at 8,000 level. So your number of equity shares will go up and your portfolio will remain constant to 1.2 crore. 80 lakhs earlier one, 40 lakh rupee new bought. So net 1.2 crore. So number of shares has gone up. Again, you will pay the premium. Next year market has recovered. This is the normal thing. Market वापस 12,000 पे आ गया पुराने level पे. So market has just recovered from 8 to 12. But for us, it has gone up by 50%. So if market has gone up by 50%, the question is, what will be the value of your portfolio? Come on, everyone. If market has gone up by 50% from 8,000 to 12,000, what will be the value of your portfolio? Everyone. Fantastic. You guys are participating in a fantastic way. Very nice. So your portfolio will reach to 1.8 crore. Again, you have paid the premium. Next year market has fallen down, but your portfolio is going to remain constant. What exactly the learning is? In 4 years, market remained constant from 10 to 10 only. But your portfolio 1 crore has reached 1.8 crore because of simple reason that whenever market goes up, you also go up. But whenever market falls down, you don't fall down. And next year when market recovers, you create new high. You have paid the premium for this. 5 plus 6, 11 lakhs, plus 6, 17 lakhs, plus 9, 26 lakh rupee. So net, you are not going to receive 1.8 crore. You need to reduce this cost. So net, you are going to receive 1.54 crore. But learning is, in 4 years, market remains same. But still you have grown. आप grow होते चले गए. ये तो एक hypothetical example था, friends. We have just assumed the data. We would like to see real data. In past 19 years, index has gone up by 16 times. Index 16 गुना बढ़ा है पिछले 19 साल में. And people who have invested money in this way, after considering all the costs, people have grown up by 27 times compared to 16 times index. Now let us see the risk point also. In 1 year, market has fallen down by more than 50% also. So index has shown this kind of risk also in past 19 years, more than 50% in a year. But you can never lose money more than 5% a year because you are protected. So you have reduced the risk as well as you have enhanced the returns. So risk bhi kam kar liya, returns bhi badha liye. Normally we listen to this line that higher the risk means higher the return. We don't believe in this line. We say that this line is actually misguiding the people. Because of this, people unnecessarily take speculations. We believe that smart calculation makes high returns. What exactly the smartness you have used over here? You have chosen two smartness. Smartness number one, always trade in index because index can't become zero. Sooner or later it rises. And smartness number two, always keep protection with you. Because of protection, you have reduced the risk as well as you have enhanced the returns. Mr. Warren Buffett, he is 91 years old as of now. He had made billions of dollars from stock market, and he is summarizing his investment experience in just 2 lines. Just see the wisdom. There are only 2 rules of investment. Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 1, never lose money. In stock market, how is it possible? And rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Again, the complete stress is on rule number 1 only. What exactly the message for us? The clear message for us is that this is our responsibility to protect our wealth. If we can protect our wealth, sooner or later, definitely we can grow it. So my dear friends, till now we have learned 5 learnings. We learned 5 learnings. What exactly those 5 learnings were? Learning number 1, we understood the concept of properties and we found that property provides us the confidence that it can never become zero, sooner or later it rises. But when we understood the concept of equity, that is point number 2, we found that if we select wrong stocks, equity can become zero. Then point number 3, we found the concept called index. And we found that if index is the combination of top 50 stocks of country, it cannot become zero, sooner or later it rises. Then learning number 4, we understood that with index we can have protection also. Kitna important. हम index के साथ protection भी ले सकते हैं. And finally, learning number 5, we learned the concept of equity plus safety makes prosperity. And what we found? We found that when we add safety with equity, we reduce the risk as well as we enhances the returns also. So till now we learned these 5 learnings. Now the question comes, how can we implement these ideas in practical market? So come on, do you want to understand the practical aspect of this strategy, that how to apply this idea in real market? Yes or no? Come on. Do you want to understand the practical aspect of this strategy? Everyone. The more you guys are going to participate, the more you are going to learn. Very good, very nice, fantastic. बहुत अच्छे. Yes. So now for that, I will need your help. You need to assume one thing. You need to assume it that you are having the balance in your account, in your bank account. You want to invest that money. Why you need to assume it? Because you want to understand the practical aspect of this strategy. So you should understand how much money you have invested at what level, at where, and how much you have got back, so that you can understand how much risk as well as return you have generated. So just assume it that you are having 1 crore rupee in your bank account. I already told you that don't worry, you can do all this investment with small amount also. Just to make a rounding figure, we are taking the example of 1 crore. So from this 1 crore rupee balance, okay, first let me confirm it. Have you assumed it that you are having the balance in your bank account and you want to invest this money? You are searching for different kind of investment avenues. Yes or no? Come on, everyone. Fantastic. So what you need to do? You need to bifurcate this 1 crore rupee in 2 checks, 30% and 70%. 30% money you are going to invest in equity and 70% money in debt. What exactly the meaning of debt? Debt means fixed income securities. Like you have made FDs, you have purchased bonds, you have bought RBI bonds, similar things. So where there you are going to generate fixed interest income. So why we are investing money in equities? Because we want growth. And why are we investing money in debt? Because we want safety also. So come on, those who want growth as well as safety, both the things in their portfolio, write down 2. Write down 2 if you want growth as well as safety, both the things in your portfolio. If you want growth as well as safety, both the things in your portfolio, then write down 2. Fantastic, fantastic, very nice, very good. So from this 30% money, 30% means 30 lakh rupee of 1 crore. So 30%, 30 lakh rupee, we will buy the index funds. So the question comes, what is the meaning of ETF? Index ETF. So ETF means exchange traded funds. So these are the mutual funds that got listed on equity market. These funds are taking the similar philosophy of index. They invest money in same 50 stocks in same proportion. So we are getting the same result of index over there. So we will buy those ETFs of 30 lakh. So now you have got the delivery of 30 lakh rupee ETFs in your demat account. What will you do of that? You will put them as collateral. Now the second question will come. What is the meaning of collateral? So my dear friends, whenever we trade in delivery in derivatives market, in futures and options market, we need to put some margin. That margin can be cash as well as can be collateral, that means stocks. From the current update of SEBI, now we can put maximum 50% as collateral, 50% we need to put as cash margin. So that collateral margin we can keep these stocks only. So from this margin, so that is called collateral. From this collateral margin, we can buy the index futures of 70 lakh rupee. The question number 3 will come in your mind. Can we buy 70 lakh rupee future from 30 lakh rupee stock? So try to understand. Futures are requiring the margin of around 10% only. So this 70 lakh position will require the margin of around 7 to 8 lakh rupee only. You are having the stock of 30 lakh rupee. This is completely sufficient. So what did you do? You have made cash purchase of 30 lakh rupee. You have made credit purchase of 70 lakh rupee. Ultimately, you have made the index portfolio of 1 crore rupee. You were having 1 crore rupee in your bank account. But the great part is, by using only 30 lakh rupee, you have made the portfolio of 1 crore. Have you done these kind of trade for first time? No. You have already done these kind of trades many times in your life. Whenever you have bought the property of 1 crore, normally you have bought the property in this way only. 30 lakh rupee you have bought from the, means 30 lakh rupee payment you have done from your bank account, and 70 lakh rupee you have paid by taking the loan. So this way you have bought the property of 1 crore rupee. So for us, Nifty is white ka property. We have made the portfolio 1 crore by investing 30 lakh rupee. Now if market will rise, we will earn on 1 crore. And when market will fall down, we will lose on 1 crore. But we don't want to lose on 1 crore. So immediately we will buy the protection. Yes or no? Come on. This we have already understood. So immediately we will buy the protection. By paying this premium, we already understood that our complete 1 crore rupee portfolio is protected. Yes or no? Everyone. The more you guys are going to participate, the more you are going to learn. And the more you will learn, the more you are going to earn. So this is the first cost that we have paid. You have paid this 5% rupee premium, and this premium has given you the confidence that your complete portfolio is downside protected. One more cost we need to pay, that cost is called financing cost. Why financing cost? Because you have made the portfolio 1 crore, but you have invested 30 lakh rupee only. 70 lakh rupee you have bought the futures. So when you buy the futures, you need to roll over the future every month. When you roll over the future from current month to next month, normally you need to pay little bit more premium. That means next month future runs little bit higher compared to the current month. We call it rollover cost, someone call it forwarding cost, or you can call it financing cost. Normally that point comes around 30 point, 40 point a month. It's a very nominal figure. But if we add for a year, it becomes around 500 points. So around 3 to 5% cost we need to pay as a forwarding cost. Now this has become the opportunity for us. Indirectly, an investor is getting the funds at just 5% a year. तो अगर इंडिया में 5% में पैसा उधार मिले साल के लिए, तो पैसा उधार लेना चाहिए, yes or no? In India, if we are getting the funds at 5% a year, we should take it, yes or no? Come on, everyone. In India, if we are getting the funds at 5% a year, we should take it and we should put our money in bonds. RBI bond is giving us 7.15% interest. So 5% we will pay, 7% we will receive, indirectly 2% we are going to outperform. As simple as that. So how much interest we have paid? Just calculate it. 70 lakh rupee, 5% a year, that means around 3.5 lakh rupee is the forwarding charge for a year. Just 3.5 lakh rupee for 70 lakh rupee a year. So indirectly our total cost, this is our gross cost. We have reached 5 plus 3.5, 8.5 lakh rupee. 8.5 lakh rupee is our gross cost. But this cost has given us two fantastic features. 8.5% cost has given us two fantastic features. Number one, my complete portfolio is protected. And number two, I have got the benefit of financing. I have used 30 lakhs rupee only. 70 lakh till now we have not touched. पूरा काम 30 लाख में हो गया, अपना करोड़ का पोर्टफोलियो बन गया प्रोटेक्शन के साथ. So what are we going to do from this 70 lakh rupee? Put it in the safe place. Suppose you have put it on RBI bonds. You are generating the interest of 7.15% only. So 70 lakhs multiplied by 7.15%, that means 5 lakh rupee you are going to get back as interest income. Yes or no? 5 lakh रुपया तो interest income का वापस आ जाएगा. याद है ना एग्जांपल, you were having 1 crore rupee in your bank account, 30 लाख में ही आपका पूरा पोर्टफोलियो बन गया, बाकी का 70 लाख रुपए डेट में रख दिया, तो इंटरेस्ट इनकम कमा रहे हैं, 5 लाख रुपया इंटरेस्ट का वापस आ गया. So the question comes that your Sanjeet, your gross cost was 8.5%, yes or no? And because of this cost, your 70 lakh rupee remained idle. So you have kept them on interest. So उसका साल भर का वापस इंटरेस्ट इनकम आ गया 5 लाख रुपी. So the question comes, what is your net cost? Come on, what is your net cost? Everyone. Okay, Rajendra का क्वेश्चन है एक टैक्सेशन का, that we need to pay 30% tax on this interest income. Try to understand. This interest income is going to consider income from other sources. And this cost is going to consider cost or the loss from business income. So business income losses are going to get set off against the other income. Rajendra, did you get this point? So after considering this cost, if you are earning money, then only you need to pay the taxes. So you are going to earn the interest free or the tax free income over here. Fantastic. So your net cost is just 3.5% only. What does it mean? It means that because of any reason, if market falls down, suppose market has fallen down by 60% this year, so your 1 crore can never go below 96 lakhs. And if market moves up, you are going to earn on full 1 crore. We have named this strategy as relax plan. Why? Because after understanding this plan, we feel relaxed. This is the need of the hour. Just understand what was the requirement of you as an investor. You were in need of two things, safety as well as growth. So if market falls down, your funds are having limited risk. And when market moves up, you are earning on full exposure. So you are getting both the things, safety as well as growth. Now understand the second plan, that is called basic plan. The great part is that initial part of relax and basic is completely same. Here also you invest money 30 lakh, that is 30%. You are making the portfolio full 100% amount. Your cost is 8.5%. You are getting protection as well as financing. So everything is same. The question comes, then what is the difference between basic and relax plan? So the difference is that the rest 70% fund, where you want to invest, that independence you get. So as investor is getting the independence that where he wants to invest rest 70% fund. Sometimes it happens, you may ask the question that you have invested rest 70% money at 7.15% interest. I am having some other avenues with me where I can easily generate 9 or 10 or 11%. What should I do? So as a financial advisor, we will advise you to use this 70% fund over there where you are generating more interest. Because if you generate more interest income, your cost will automatically get down. Some of you may say that I am having some loans with me. I pay the interest at 10% or 11% over there. What should I do? We will say that we have used 30% money only. We have made the complete portfolio from this. Rest 70% money you can use somewhere else so that you can generate little bit higher interest income over there. Suppose if you can generate 9% from this fund. So your interest income will be 70 multiplied by 9%, that is 6.3 lakh. So now your net cost is just 2.2 lakh rupee only. So the question comes that what exactly is happening? Does it mean that basic plan is applicable for everyone? No, I am not saying that. If you have some other avenues there, you can generate more interest income, then you can choose basic plan. Otherwise, you can easily choose relaxed plan. The third plan is called Power Booster Plan. Name itself suggests that here you can use the power of your current portfolio. In our earlier plan, you have invested 30 lakh rupee to buy the index fund so that you can put them as collateral. You can say that to put that the collateral, I am having lot many stocks with me. When I ask this question to you, that how many of you are investing money in equity or mutual fund? 84% audience said yes. So if you are having equity or mutual fund portfolio, you can use that as a collateral. And in that case, you don't need to put this 30 lakh rupee also. So without investing this 30 lakh, you have just kept the 30 lakh rupee stock as margin. From that margin, you have bought the futures of full 1 crore rupee. So you have again made the portfolio of 1 crore. When market will go up, you are going to earn on 1 crore. When market will fall down, you will lose on 1 crore. You don't want to lose on 1 crore. So like our earlier plan, you also buy the protection over here by paying this 5 lakh rupee. Same. This time financing cost you need to pay on 1 crore. Because this time you have not invested 30 lakhs also. So on 1 crore, 5% means 5 lakh rupee you need to invest as financing cost. So your total cost has reached to 10 lakh rupee. So for 1 crore rupee portfolio, you have used this 10 lakh rupee only. And this 10 lakh rupee has given you protection as well as financing. So remember the example, you were having 1 crore rupee in your bank account. You have made the portfolio of this 1 crore rupee by using 10 lakh rupee only. So 90 lakh rupee are free in your bank account. What will you do from this for 90 lakh rupee? If you can generate 9% income from this 90 lakh rupee, 8.10 lakh rupee interest income you are going to get back. So what will be your net cost? Your net cost will be 1.9% only, just around 2%. You may have this question that what happens if I can't generate 9%? Then you calculate it at 7%. 9 lakh पे 7% मतलब मोटा मोटा 6.5 लाख रुपए you could have generated. तो आपका risk 3.5% का हो गया. That's all. तीनों के तीनों plan, all the three plans are having limited risk downside. All the three plans are generating returns on full exposure. The difference is different. All the three plans are having different payment schemes. And because of different payment schemes, your gross cost changes. So we will have the question that what would have been the performance if we would have invested in past. Let us see the past data. This table is going to show you the complete elaboration of the past returns. The first column is showing you the calendar last day of the year, since when we have got the options. So 31st December 2002, 3, 4, up to 21. The second column is showing you the Nifty level on that day. The third column is showing you the investment of rupees 1 crore. Fourth and fifth columns are showing you the performance. Fourth column is showing you the performance if you would have invested this in normal mutual fund, that is index fund, then this 1 crore rupee would have reached to 15.77 crore rupee. This is also a good return. But here you have not bought the protection. Now the fifth column is showing you the performance of this strategy. If you would have added the protection also with this, if you would have reduced the risk and you have kept the rest money in debt, then this 1 crore rupee with safety would have reached to 27 crores instead of 15.77. How it happened? It happened because of the simple reason. Whenever market moves up, you also go up. Market has moved up by 71%. As you have paid the cost against hedging and financing, and you are generating the interest from the rest income, so you are paying around 2 to 3% net cost. So you are not going to generate 71%. You are going to generate little bit less compared to this. But you should be happy with that, because whenever markets are falling down, this year market has fallen down by 50%, but you are not going to lose more than 3 or 4% because you are downside protected. Again, next year when market recovers, you are going to create new high. You remember that example? When market has fallen down from 12 to 8,000, your 1.2 crore portfolio remained constant to 1.2 crore. But next year when market has recovered from 8 to 12, you have created new high of 1.8 crore. Again, market has fallen down, you will remain constant, and when market recovers, you create new high. Again, market has fallen down, and when it recovered, you are going to create new high, and so on. In past 19 years, you have never seen the risk beyond 4% a year. एक भी साल आपने 4% से ज्यादा का रिस्क नहीं देखा, and you have generated almost 18.90% CAGR return since last 19 years. What exactly the learning is? The learning is that you have reduced the risk as well as you have enhanced the returns. The question comes, is this the theoretical point only, or do we this on real market also? So since 2014, we are executing the real trade in this strategy. This is our real performance. This blue color line is showing you the performance of index, and this orange color line is showing you the performance of this strategy. When market moves up, both the graphs are moving up in the similar way. This is the similarity. Then what is the difference? The difference is when market falls down, you don't fall down to that extent because you are protected. This is the corona period, my dear friends. Market has fallen down sharply, but you remain protected after a certain level because you have bought the protection, and that is why this difference is increasing day by day. For some time, you may see the blue color line above this orange line, because when market moves up, you are going to earn little bit less. But after some time, when market falls down, and if you don't fall down, then you create this difference. What did we learn? We understood that this is the combination of equity, futures, and safety. Why equity? Because we want growth. Why futures? Because when we are getting the funds at 4 to 5% rate only, we should take it. Apna paisa debt mein rakh denge. And why safety? Because we want to have limited risk. We want to have calculated risk. Why do we invest money in index? Because index can't become zero. Sooner or later it rises. So we are having low risk profile. Past track record is very strong. People can see their live accounts. So we have the complete infrastructure, reporting system, advisory portal, algorithm portal, everything on track. So you just on click of button, you can get all the reports. People who are very near to retirement, if they want systematic withdrawal also, they want regular income also, they can generate from this. This is very important. There is no lock-in period. So question comes, what is the meaning of lock-in period? In certain investment plans, we need to put money for a certain period. We cannot withdraw in between. But here there is no lock-in period. Whenever you want to enter, you can enter. Whenever you want to exit, you can exit. There is no entry load, no exit load, no penalties. But still, we want you to invest money for 5 to 10 years. You should keep in mind, though there is no compulsion. We have the dedicated team. They will help you step by step. We are the first and the only company keeping the algorithm for these kind of strategies for retail investors, so that people can generate returns by using speed, accuracy, and consistency. People can plan their retirement, their higher education, kids' marriage from these kind of investment plans. And finally, the most important point is all the trades are going to happen in your own account. So your money is going to remain with you only. You don't need to keep your money somewhere else. You are not going to give this money to Finideas also. Your money is going to remain at your end wherever you are already investing money. At the same member, you can keep this. So you are completely secured, you are completely independent. In past, so I am having now one more question to all of you. The question is, while investing, जब भी आप अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो, where should you put your prime focus? आपका प्राइम फोकस कहां पर होना चाहिए, रिटर्न्स पे या सेफ्टी पे? कम ऑन, when you invest money, where should you put your prime focus? Very nice, very good, very good, fantastic, fantastic. You guys are participating in a very good way. Last 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Come on, everyone, everyone, everyone. Fantastic, fantastic. I am very happy to share that 82% audience says that yes, safety should be first. My dear friends, we also believe in the same line. We believe that safety should be first. If our wealth is safe, sooner or later, definitely it will grow. But because of the target of earning higher returns, if we lose that wealth, what are we going to grow in later on? So it is very important to have safety with us. In past more than 380 webinars, we have got lot many questions from you all. So now we are going to have question answer round. So first I am taking few more questions that normally people ask us. So we have added those in our presentation, and then I will give you the chance to ask your questions also. So the normally people ask what would be the tax impact. So try to understand. Here you have invested money in 3 plans at 3 places. 30% money you have invested in index ETF. After 1 year, it will become long-term capital gain. 70% money you are going to keep in debt. After 3 years, it will become long-term capital gain. Whatever part you have invested in futures and options, that income will be considered as business income. That business income will have the taxation as per your tax slab. So you may have the tax slab of 0% also, 10, 20 or highest 30% also. So your performance is going to differ as per your tax slab. So we would like to see that in past 19 years, suppose I was having 10% tax slab, what would have been my returns? So we have already seen people that without tax, the return was around 18.90% CAGR. If you are having the 10% tax slab, your return will reach to 17.70. 20%, your return will reach to 16.5. And if you are paying the tax at 30% in last 19 years, your net of the tax, that means after tax return, would have reached to 15.50%. This is post-tax return. What exactly the learning is? The learning is we can save the taxes, we can plan the taxes very smartly over here. The next question comes that I am a retired person. I want to have regular inflow against this investment. Can I get it? The answer is yes. You have invested, suppose you have invested 1 crore rupee. So you can withdraw 0.5% every month in relax plan, in first plan, where you are investing full money. So from 1 crore rupee, you can earn 0.5% every month. That means 50,000 rupee every month you can withdraw. So what would have been your performance in last 19 years? Let's see. Suppose you have invested rupee 1 crore. 50,000 every month you are withdrawing. That means 6 lakh rupee every year you are withdrawing. So in last 19 years, you have withdrawn more than 1 crore rupee already. And still your 1 crore rupee portfolio is having the valuation of 21 crore as of now. So that means you have generated regular cash flow also, as well as capital growth also. The next question is very important. You have given the example of 1 crore rupee. I want to test this strategy with a lower amount. What can be my minimum exposure? So you can plan this minimum exposure of 1 lot also. So you can do this, all these trades with 1 lot of Nifty also. Nifty का 1 lot कितने quantity का है? तो 50 quantity का. Suppose 18,000 Nifty is running. So 18,000 multiplied by 50, that means around 9 lakh rupee can be the minimum exposure. Or you can do this similar investment in multiple of 9 lakhs. Now the question comes that suppose I take the exposure of 9 lakh rupee, how much money I need to invest? So you have seen 3 plans over here. Plan number 1, relax plan. Here you have invested full 100% money. You remember, no? 30% debt, so equity mein or 70% debt mein. In plan 2, that is basic plan, you have invested just 30% money only. 70% fund you are using somewhere else. And in Power Booster plan, you are using your stocks as margin. So here you are investing 10% money only, 90% fund you are using somewhere else. So for suppose 9 lakh rupee portfolio, how much you need to invest? So in Relax plan, you will invest full 9 lakh rupees. And in Power Booster, you can do the same thing at 90,000 rupee only. So 8,10,000 rupee you are saving to use somewhere else. In Power Booster, you just need to take care that you should keep around 30% stock, that is 2.7 lakh rupee stock as collateral. That's all. So the next question is very important, that you have explained 3 plans over here. I want to understand which plan is good for me. Can you compare these 3 plans at one screen? Let us see that. In Relax plan, the beauty is that you are investing 9 lakh rupee. You are generating returns also on 9 lakh rupee. So what is new over here? In mutual fund also it happens same thing. We invest 9 lakh rupee, we generate returns on 9 lakh. In equity also it happens same. We invest 9 lakh, we generate returns on 9 lakh. So what is new in Relax plan? The new thing is that when market falls down, your maximum risk is 3 to 4% only. So your 9 lakh rupee can never go below 8.7 or 8.6 lakh rupee in any case. So this is the beauty of Relax plan. Then what is the new thing in basic plan? In basic plan, the new thing is that you are investing 30% money only in equity market. So instead of 9 lakh, you are investing 2.7 lakh, but you are making the portfolio full 9 lakh. You are going to generate returns on 9 lakh rupee. Your annual cost is 8.5%, that is around 75,000. But because of this, you have saved 6.3 lakh rupee to use somewhere else. If you generate the nominal interest of 7% only from the 6.3 lakh, annually you can generate 45,000 rupee interest income. So what will be your net cost? 75 minus 45, again 30,000. So what is new in Power Booster plan? In Power Booster plan, you can use your current stock or mutual funds or bonds as collateral. In that case, you need to invest only 10%, that is 90,000 only. But still your portfolio is having the valuation of 9 lakh rupee only. Your maximum cost or the annual cost is 10%, that is 90,000 rupee a year. But because of this, you are saving 8.10 lakh rupee to use somewhere else. The nominal interest can be around 60,000 rupee a year. So what will be your net cost? 90 minus 60, again 30,000. All the 3 plans are having similar net cost. All the 3 plans are generating returns on same AUA, same exposure. But these 3 plans are having different payment schemes. And because of these different payment schemes, your gross costs are different. But if you consider the interest income from the idle fund, your net cost is same. So the next question is more important. And the question is, what can be my cash flow? Try to understand. In derivatives market, the good point is that we can generate or we can get leverage. And what exactly the risky point is? Risky point is also the leverage. Because of leverage, sometimes we can't pay the M2M on time, and brokers clear off, or the broker settles our position, है ना? It reduces our position. So what happens? वो अगर हमारा position square off कर दे, तो हमें बीच में exit हो जाना पड़ता है. So it is very important to understand how much money I need to invest at what point. So try to understand. Cash flow is very important. Initial cash flow you have already understood. In Relax plan, 9 lakh rupee you are going to invest initially. In basic plan, 2.7. In Power Booster, 90,000. Now a very intelligent question to all of you. Suppose you have selected basic plan. So you have invested 2.7 lakh rupee for the portfolio of 9 lakh. You have paid the financing as well as hedging cost. Now the question comes, if after a year, market remains at the same level, market वहीं का वहीं रह गया, तो next year आपको और नया पैसा डालने को आएगा, yes or no? Come on. If market remains at the same level for a year, then next year you need to put new money. Yes or no? Everyone. Suppose you have chosen the basic plan. You have invested 2.7 lakh rupee initially. You have made the portfolio of 9 lakh rupee. you have paid the financing as well as hedging cost from this 2.7 lakh rupee. After a year, market remains at the same level or market falls down. The question comes, next year you need to put new money. Yes or no? You need to put some more money. Yes or no? Everyone. The more you guys are going to participate, the more you are going to learn. Try to understand. This is very important question. You should give the answer of this question. Everyone. Very nice. Very nice. Those who have given the answer yes, that is correct. This proves that you have understood the concept. You have invested money and you have paid some cost. So after a year, if market remains at the same level or falls down, in relax plan, you may lose 3 to 4%. So for next year, you need to add this 3 to 4% cost. In basic plan, you are going to lose 8.5%. Because from that 6.3 lakh rupee, you are generating interest income somewhere else. So you need to put that income over here. Because for next year, again, you need to buy the protection. You need to buy the forwarding cost. And if you don't put that money, then broker will not allow you to forward that position to next year. You need to get down or you need to come out from the position in midway. In power booster, you need to invest 90,000 rupee if market doesn't perform. So the question comes, what happens if I can't put that 75,000 rupee? Then broker will not allow you to forward your position. So what should you do? You understand that after 1 year, you may require 75,000 rupee. What you can do? You can do the SIP investment of 6,000 rupee from now onwards only. So every month, if you can invest 6,000 rupee a month, automatically after 1 year, you will get 75,000 rupee. So simple. तो आपको पता है आपका मैक्सिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना जरूरत है, उतना आपने पहले से ही मैनेज करके रख दिया, पूरा काम हो गया. In power booster, you can add 7,000 rupee. That's all. So the question comes that when we have listened this complete strategy, everything is good only. We invest money in index doesn't become zero. It will go up sooner or later. That is a good point. We are adding the protection. So in between also, if market falls down, we are not going to lose hefty money. This is good point. We are also using the interest arbitrage. We are getting the funds at lower interest rate. We are putting our money at higher interest rate. This is good. So what are the challenges in this strategy? So now understand what are the challenges. Many times the rules of market got changed. Before some time, we were having different kind of margin system. Now we are having different margin system. We need to pay 50% cash, 50% collateral margin system. So whenever the exchange rule changes, we need to understand those rules, number one. Secondly, after a year, we should understand that we may require the maintenance cost. So we should be ready for that. We have given the solution for this, that you should choose monthly SIP instead of putting all the money after 1 year at one shot. Don't be overconfident on that. So if you can handle these kind of challenges, you can understand or you can implement this strategy very easily. The question comes, which plan is good for me? So try to understand. Relax plan is good for people who are very near to retirement. R for relax, R for retirement. Relax plan is good for people who want regular income. R for relax, R for regular income. Relax plan is good for people who are having low risk profile. R for relax, R for risk profile that is lower. So if you are having these kind of profile, then relax plan is a good plan for you. So if relax plan is a good plan for you, write down R. Write down R if you feel that relax plan is a good plan for you. The second plan is basic plan. Basic plan is good for young investor. People who are the young investors? People who are earning regular money. Those are called young investors. So they can invest regularly. So they can easily handle the SIP. So they can take the advantage of leverage. So if you feel that basic plan is a good plan for you, then write down B. Write down B if you feel that basic plan is a good plan for you. The third plan is power booster. Power booster plan is good for matured investors who are already having the portfolio with them. And still they are generating or they are investing regular money. So if you are having the portfolio with you and you can invest regular money, you can use Power Booster plan. So if you feel that Power Booster plan is a good plan for you, then write down P. Come on. So if you feel that Relax plan is a good plan for you, write down R. If you feel that Basic is a good, then write down B. And if Power Booster is good, then write down P. Come on. This reply is be beneficial for whom? This reply is very beneficial to you. You will get the clarity, so you will understand which plan you should understand in more better way. Fantastic, fantastic. I am very happy to see your replies. The next question comes, what are the commercials of Finideas for this? So we are charging a very nominal fee for this. If your portfolio is below 1 crore, then for 6 months, you will pay 75 paisa. When you reach to 1 crore rupee per portfolio, your fee will reduce to 62 paisa. When you reach to 5 crore rupee exposure, your fee will reduce to 50 paisa only for 6 months. So let us understand the example. Suppose you are making the portfolio of 9 lakh rupee. So for 9 lakh rupee, what is the fee structure? 75 paisa. So how much will be the in rupee terms? So 9 lakh multiplied by 75 paisa, so 6750, 6,750 rupee will be the fee for 6 months. So what will be the monthly fee? Monthly fee will be around 1100 rupee. So from this 1100 rupee fee for one lot, what you are getting? You are getting the advisory that which plan you should choose, how much exposure you should take, what kind of portfolio you should make, which strike you should choose as protection, which expiry you should choose, when you should enter, how you are going to manage it, when you want to shift or how you are going to shift it, how you are going to roll it over the position, how you are not going to have the margin calls, how you are going to handle the M2Ms, your tax related reports, your position related reports, your performance related reports, your complete back office access, all the things you are getting in this fee. The question comes, I want to know more. What you need to do? So now if you want to know more about this strategy, you may have many questions for your end also. What you need to do? Fill up this form. Fill up this form so that we can understand that you want to go ahead. You want to understand it in a more better way. And you want to implement these ideas. What you need to do. So you have already got the form link. Yes, fill up this link. So when you click on this link, you will get this form. Write down your name, mobile number, and email ID. And write down that I am interested in this strategy. So select yes and send it. And if you want that I don't want to go ahead, you can select no also. Great, my dear friend. So I'm giving you 10 seconds. Fill it up. Yes, after this, we are going to have question answer round. We will have few more slides and then we will have the question answer round. Great, friends. Great. So after filling this form, what is going to happen? When you will fill up this form, you will get to know which plan is good, how much you would like to invest or how much you should invest, what will be your cost, initially how much you need to invest and what would be your SIPs and how you are going to use the current stocks. So Shankar, I am giving you the link again. Anna? Yes. So after doing this, it will ask you to complete your KYC. KYC is a free process. What is the benefit of KYC? If we want to give you the answer that which plan is good for you, we need to understand your profile. So for that, we have made the questions, 25 questions list over here. From these 25 questions, you are going to get 4 options. You just need to click on the correct option that is related to you. After filling up these 25 questions, it will take around 60 to 120 seconds only. After filling up these 25 questions, it will give you the automatic answer that which plan you should select, how much exposure you should take, what would be your initial investment, how much SIP you should monthly do, what would be your returns, what kind of hedging and financing costs you are going to incur, how much interest income you are going to save, what will be your annual risk, how much net fee you need to pay. Everything you will get to know at free of cost. You have not invested any money. After this, if you feel comfortable, if you feel that this is making logic for me, this is a logical thing, this is a prudent thing, and I want to go ahead, then what you need to do, then you will pay the fee, you will complete the agreement. After doing this, you will get the advisory. From that advisory, you can make the trades. And after making the trades, we will give you the back office access so that you can check your reports over there. The question comes, is it the right time to invest money? Try to understand. If market will go up, you are going to earn interest, that is equity returns. And if market will fall down, your quantity is going to increase. So you are getting best of both the world. Downside, you are having limited risk. Upside, you are generating equity return. So you are getting best things. So every moment is a good moment for this strategy to invest. The question comes that limited risk, we are already having the limited risk in FDs. Then what is the difference? In FDs, you are having complete 100% protection. Here you are having 96% protection. You are having 3 to 4% risk a year. But simultaneously in FDs, you are generating returns of 6 to 7%. Here you can generate equity returns. In FDs, you are having lock-in period. Here you don't have any kind of lock-in period. So these are the basic difference between FDs and index long-term strategy. The question comes, suppose if I select basic plan as of now, and after some time, if I feel that I want to switch from basic to relax or basic to power booster, can I do that? You can change your plan as many times as you want without paying any extra fee. We will help you in switching from one plan to another plan without charging any fee. Can NRI do these kind of investments? Yes. NRI can also do these kind of investments using their NRO account. And the last question is, why Finideas? You should choose Finideas because we are SEBI registered investment advisor. We have the complete infrastructure with us. So we are having more than 20 years of experience of these kind of trades. We have the algorithms so that you can use or you can take the benefit of speed, accuracy, and consistency. What our investors are saying. So these are the few testimonies. We are using complete transparency in service. We believe in transparent solution. All the trades are executed in customer's own account. So customer is completely secure. This is a smart work with innovative idea. When market falls down, our funds are having limited fall. So this is very important. People are getting growth of equity. This is the need of the hour. People are getting growth of equity and with safety. Our smartness and technology are unbeatable. We answer all the queries with enthusiasm to our customers. We are keeping one program every month for our customers that is called our customer meet. There we are solving their queries also. People don't need to worry when market falls down. It protects my funds against worst situation. This is making money in a most disciplined way. We believe in disciplined investment. Searching every day new strategy is not the philosophy of Finideas. Going in deep in one strategy is the philosophy of Finideas. So daily we try to find out the solution, how we can reduce the cost, how we can enhance the returns. This is a great strategy. This is a combination of index with protection. Our research and back data testing work is really impressive. Friends, more than 600 plus reviews we have got on Google. This is an open platform. People can write what they feel. We have got the rating of 4.8 star out of 5. So you can understand what kind of quality we are providing to our customers. You may have many questions. How you can get the answer of all these questions? You can visit our website also. There you are having live chatbot. You can ask your questions over there and in fraction of second, you will get the replies. So by that way also, you can get your question solved. Every Thursday, 4 p.m. like today, we are going to keep this program. Every Sunday, 10 a.m., that is holiday, we are keeping the program at 10 a.m. So if you want to attend this program again, you can come again. If you feel that this program is good for your kids, your parents, your brothers, sisters, your cousins, your friends, your relatives, your surrounding, what you should do? You should share this information with them also. Just try to understand. Today, you got to know about this. How do you feel? Everyone wants the financial freedom. And if we can help them to achieve it, it can make altogether good karmas. So try to understand this. We are thankful to all our well-wishers. Just because of your efforts, now this strategy has become popular in 6 countries. Thank you for this. And now this is your time to ask the question answer round. Friends, it is exactly 5:15 or 5:16. We have completed our session as per our commitment. And now you can ask your questions. If you feel that some questions are there, so what you need to do, you need to raise your hand. So I will give you the chance to speak. But before raising your hand, you should start your video also. Why to start the video? Because lot many people may have the similar question like you. So they will also get connected with you when they will listen to you. So it will help them also. So if you have any question, feel free to ask the question. Raise your hand. I will give you the chance to ask questions. Okay, so Shankar Bhai, if you have not got the this form link, I am sending you my email ID. Yes, I have shared you. Just send me the mail. I will send the link to you again over your email. Yeah, thank you. Yes. So friends, if you have any question, please raise your hand. I will give you the chance. And if you want to ask your question on chat, you can write down your question on chat also. Okay, so Sanjeet, I am sending you. Yes, friends. So till that time, I am taking the question what people have asked on chat. Okay. So Eden Society, Eden, if it is possible, then start your video also. You can unmute yourself. I have given you the rights. Yes.
Yeah. Basically,
what is your name?
I am Dattatreya.
Yeah, Dattatreya. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, very nice.
So basically,
yes.
my question is, I'm going to retire in next 2 months. Yeah, and I have a portfolio for around 30 to 40 lakhs of mutual fund. So which plan is suitable for me? That is my question.
So Dattatreya, it's a fantastic question. I would request you to give the answer of 25 questions. Okay. So that you have already got over there. See, there are many private questions, like how many family members are there, how many dependent people are there, what is your portfolio size, what are your monthly expenses. So if you give what are your monthly savings, if you give the answer of all these questions,
okay,
then it will become very easy for us to identify that which plan is good for you. So for that, what you need to do, just click on the link that we have already shared. When you fill up the form, you will automatically get forwarded to KYC form. Complete your KYC over there, and it will automatically give you the answer of your question. Your question is very reasonable, very logical.
Okay.
Is it fine?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thanks.
You. Yes. Yeah, Shankar, you have raised the hand. You can unmute yourself. If possible, start your video. Yeah. Yes, Shankar bhai. We can't hear you. Please unmute yourself. Sorry, Shankar, we cannot listen to you. Can you check your mic? And if your voice doesn't come, then you can write down your question. Okay, there is a question from Anubhav. Shankar, you can try again, okay?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, now we can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. So my question is, you are telling you said about an option of giving our portfolio stocks as a collateral, right? In that case, brokers will charge some interest on that portion, is it?
No. So there are lot many ambiguity with this, that when we put our money as collateral, broker charges us the interest. Try to understand. As per the new rules, 50% margin you can use as collateral, 50% you need to put cash margin. Okay. So suppose you are making the investment of 1 crore rupee. For that, around 6 to 7 lakh rupee is the normal margin. But because we are taking the protection, so margin again get reduced to 5 lakh rupee only around. So that means 50%, that means 2.5 lakh rupee you need to put as cash margin, and rest you can use as collateral without paying any kind of cost. Got it, Shankar bhai?
Okay, sir.
You just need to pay around 20 rupees or 30 rupees. That is the transfer or pledge marking charges per script, one time only. That's all.
Okay.
Got it? So this is very important question. Thank you for this, Shankar bhai.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes, Dev bhai, you have reduced your, yeah, Dev.
Hello, Govindji.
Hello, how are you, Dev bhai?
I'm good. How are you?
Perfectly fine.
So, first of all, congratulations. Very nice initiative you have taken and very informative thing. So, सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था, थोड़ा मुझे डाउट था, ये स्ट्रेटेजी में वी आर लॉन्ग इन फ्यूचर्स, राइट? एंड वी आर प्रोटेक्टिंग इट वाया बाइंग पुट. सो जैसे मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा, फ्यूचर्स का डेल्टा तो 100 रहता है, और पुट का डेल्टा कम होते जाता है जैसे ओटीएम होता है. तो मुझे सिर्फ यही बात जाननी थी कि व्हेन देयर इज अ ड्रास्टिक फॉल, हाउ विल पुट कैच अप टू द प्रोटेक्शन? तो जितना पॉइंट्स गया, आई थिंक पूरा पॉइंट शायद पुट रिकवर ना कर पाए. तो व्हाट एम आई थिंकिंग इज राइट और रॉन्ग?
सो पार्शियली राइट है, पूरा करेक्ट नहीं है देव भाई आपका.
जी जी,
समझिएगा, क्वेश्चन बहुत ही लॉजिकल है, और क्वेश्चन आपने बहुत ही अच्छे से है ना इसको रखा है इसको, कि भाई नॉर्मली हम ये सुनते हैं कि भाई ऑप्शन का जो स्पीड होता है वो फ्यूचर के स्पीड के जितना नहीं होता. नॉर्मली अगर एट द मनी है तो 50% होता है. तो मार्केट सर टूटेगा, तो आपने तो कह दिया पूरा प्रोटेक्शन मिल गया, पूरा कैसे मिलेगा? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. डेल्टा के टर्म्स में आप करेक्ट है. डेल्टा क्या बताता है? पहला प्रीमियम क्या था और बाद का प्रीमियम क्या रहा, वो बताता है डेल्टा, जब स्पॉट चेंज होता है तब. पर समझिए, आपने तो पुट के पूरे प्रीमियम को कॉस्ट गिन लिया. अगर पुट का पूरा प्रीमियम कॉस्ट गिन लिया, तो अब मार्केट जितना टूटेगा उतना उसका इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू होगा या नहीं होगा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल होगा,
बिल्कुल होगा. तो अब मान लो आप 18,000 में घुसे और इंडेक्स यदि 14,000 हो गया, तो वो पुट ऑप्शन 18,000 वाला आपको 4,000 पॉइंट मिनिमम वापस देगा कि नहीं देगा?
मुझे उसमें ही डाउट था, क्योंकि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप पूरा नीचे नहीं गया, मान लो काफी डीप इन द मनी हो गया, तो वो फ्यूचर के जैसे बिहेव करेगा पुट. पर वो काफी डीप इन द मनी नहीं हुआ,
मान लो डीप इन द मनी नहीं हुआ, मान लो 18,000 का 17,500 ही हुआ, ठीक है? तो उस पुट का मिनिमम प्रीमियम 500 रुपी होगा कि नहीं होगा मैच्योरिटी?
सर वो आइडिया मुझे नहीं है, दैट इज वेयर यू आर एक्सपर्ट.
तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. पुट का जो एक्सरसाइज वैल्यू होता है वो क्या होता है? स्ट्राइक प्राइस माइनस स्पॉट प्राइस. तो स्ट्राइक प्राइस से जितना स्पॉट टूटा हुआ होगा ना, उतना पॉइंट आपको वापस डिफरेंस का कैश सेटल्ड मिलेगा ही.
या वो तो मिलेगा, पर जैसे कि पुट में आपका टाइम वैल्यू भी होता है, तो
उसका टाइम वैल्यू है. देखो समझो, मानो कि अभी मानो एक एग्जांपल लो, 18,000 का आपका मार्केट है, आपने 18,000 का पुट ऑप्शन खरीदा, मान लीजिए आपने 1,000 रुपए में खरीदा
जी.
मार्केट मेच्योरिटी पे 17,500 आया
जी.
तो 17,500 आया, तो आपका क्वेश्चन आएगा सर 1,000 रुपए का प्रीमियम पे किया था, 500 रुपए वापस मिले, तो मैंने तो 500 लॉस किया है, जबकि मुझे आपके हिसाब से तो 500 आने चाहिए थे. पर आपको समझना है, जो 1,000 रुपये आपने प्रीमियम पे किया है, उसको तो हमने ऑलरेडी कॉस्ट गिन लिया कि नहीं गिन लिया? वो जो 8.5% की कॉस्ट है, जिसमें से 5% अपने को इंटरेस्ट इनकम वापस आ रहा है, और 3.5% कॉस्ट है, वो तो गिन लिया.
हाँ, नहीं, वो मेरा पॉइंट नहीं है. फॉर कॉस्ट गिन लिया हमने, वो तो गिन लिया हम लोग 95%.
भाई आगे सुनिए एक बार. अब बाजार 18,000 का 17,500 आया, तो आपको 500 रुपए मेच्योरिटी पे वापस मिल गए. क्लियर है? तो आपका जो क्वेश्चन था ना कि मार्केट जितना टूटता है उतना पुट से वापस आता है क्या, तो मार्केट जितना टूटा उतना पुट से वापस आया कि नहीं आया? कम टूटा तो कम आया, ज्यादा टूटा तो ज्यादा आया. वही तो चाहिए था. गाड़ी आपने गाड़ी खरीदी मान लीजिए 10 लाख की, और आपने उसका इंश्योरेंस लिया 40,000 का. अभी गाड़ी का एक्सीडेंट हुआ, गाड़ी का एकदम खाली स्क्रैच ही लगा और 10,000 का क्लेम आया, तो आपको 10,000 ही मिलेगा ना, भले ही आपने 40,000 का प्रीमियम पे किया. और गाड़ी का बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हुआ, 3 लाख का खर्च हो गया, तो 3 लाख मिलेगा. पॉइंट है आपने जो 40,000 डाला है उसको भूल जाओ, वो 40,000 खर्च में गिन लिया, अब जितने का क्लेम आया उतना वापस मिल गया। Did you
नहीं,
get the point?
क्योंकि या आई गॉट द पॉइंट। तो इसमें मुझे यही जानना है कि जितना गिरेगा उतना मान लो आधा हो गया, लेट्स से 50%, वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो 18 पे है, हम लोग 9 पे पहुंच गए, तो जब 9 पे पहुंचेंगे तो मेरा पुट का वैल्यू तो आसमान छू गया होगा,
9,000 हो गया होगा, 9,000
हाँ,
हो गया होगा
जी। और मैंने लिया तो अभी वो पूरा पैसा मैं वापस री इन्वेस्ट करके, मान लो एक लॉट से ही हमने चालू किया था, तो फिर पुट इतना गिरेगा कि मैं वापस पूरा इन्वेस्ट कर सकूं उसमें, लेट्स से ईटीएफ पूरा 9,000 पे एक लॉट खरीद सकूं, उतना पैसा मुझे आ जाएगा।
आप ही बताओ, उस पुट का प्रीमियम ही 9,000 रुपये हो गया, उसको बेचोगे तो 9,000 वापस मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा, है ना? और वो 9,000 रुपये जो आपको मिला है उस समय 9,000 इक्विटी चल रही है, आपने पूरी की पूरी डबल इक्विटी खरीद ली।
हाँ, क्योंकि वो इम्पोर्टेंट है स्ट्रेटेजी के लिए टू यू नो स्टे अहेड ऑफ मार्केट।
सो ये चीजें अपने आप ही अप्लाई हो जाएगी, जस्ट डोंट वरी।
फैंटास्टिक,
थैंक यू, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने, है ना?
थैंक यू।
यस अनुभव भैया।
हेलो,
हाउ आर यू?
आई एम फाइन।
ग्रेट। यस अनुभव भाई बोलिए।
एक्चुअली मुझे ये दो क्वेश्चन थे। एक तो ये था कि जैसे मार्केट टूटता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 18,000 है, तो अब मार्केट चला गया, मान के चलिए 20% करेक्शन हो गया, उसके बाद 20% करेक्शन हुआ तो उसके बाद 30 भी हो सकता है, 40 भी हो सकता है, 50 भी हो सकता है। तो वो जो पुट हमें पैसा दे रही है, तो वो हम कहाँ बुक करेंगे और कहाँ बुक करने के बाद और निफ्टी भी खरीदेंगे?
तो इसका एक एल्गोरिदम बना हुआ है। सो एल्गोरिदम क्या करता है, लुकिंग, देखो पुट कहाँ पे शिफ्ट करना है, इसके लिए ये सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि उस शिफ्टिंग की कॉस्ट क्या लग रही है, यस और नो। अनुभव, बाजार 50 पॉइंट ही टूटा या 500 पॉइंट ही टूटा तभी भी पुट शिफ्ट कर सकते होते हैं, या 5,000 पॉइंट टूटे तब शिफ्ट करना है। तो शिफ्टिंग करने का मीनिंग ये है कि हम अपना करंट पुट को तो स्क्वायर अप करेंगे और नीचे में नया पुट लेंगे, यस और नो।
राइट।
तो नए पुट का क्या कॉस्ट लग रहा है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नहीं है?
हाँ, वो तो महंगा भी होगा पुट, बिकॉज एफएक्स भी बढ़ गया होगा उस टाइम पे जब गिर रही
वो
होगी।
महंगा भी हो सकता है, वो रीजनेबल भी हो सकता है, वो सस्ता भी हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन उस समय पे क्या टाइम वैल्यू चल रही है, क्या वॉलेटिलिटी चल रही है, क्या इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू चल रही है, यस और नो। तो एल्गोरिदम कंटिन्यूअसली उसे ट्रैक करता है और वो आपको अपने आप ही एडवाइस करेगा कि मार्केट अब टूट रहा है तो शिफ्टिंग अभी करने जैसा है और आपको इतनी कॉस्ट में शिफ्ट हो रहा है। गॉट इट? पर आपको ये शिफ्टिंग कितनी माननी है, तो साल भर में लगभग 1 या 2 बार ही ऐसी शिफ्टिंग आती है नॉर्मली। तो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट ये कि बाजार 100 पॉइंट टूटा या 500 पॉइंट टूटा तो मेरे पास ईमेल आने वाला है क्या शिफ्टिंग का, नहीं आता है वो। तो नॉर्मली अननेसेसरी किसी के एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी कुछ भी एक्सपेक्टेशंस ना हो। आप कुछ भी शिफ्टिंग नहीं करते हो ना, अगर साल का साल भी खड़े रहते हो तो भी आपने वो 18.9% का सीएजीआर खड़ा कर लिया, तो बीच में इंटरनल शिफ्टिंग से 2.5% की सीएजीआर और बढ़ जाती है, पर वो हम प्रेजेंटेशन में डालते ही नहीं है ताकि एक्सपेक्टेशन ना बढ़े।
जो 18.9 है वो मतलब इंक्लूडिंग चार्जेस जो हैं आपके जैसे उसको मिला के है या उसको हटा के है?
So after reducing the cost, that is financing cost, hedging cost as well as our fee, सब निकालने के बाद और इंटरेस्ट का इनकम गिनने के बाद जो बाकी का पैसा बचा उस पे इंटरेस्ट इनकम गिनने के बाद ये वो रिटर्न है। तो नेट कस्टमर के हाथ में जो रिटर्न आया ना वो रिटर्न है।
तो मतलब मिनिमम हम ये प्लान कर सकते हैं कि 2-3 साल के बाद ही मेरे को रिटर्न दिखना चालू होगा, बिकॉज
एग्जैक्टली ये लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट है। शुरुआत में आप कॉस्ट भी लगाओगे तो आपका कम से कम टाइम होराइजन जो हमने डाला ना, लॉजिकल पीरियड ऑफ होराइजन अराउंड 5 to 10 years का आपका होराइजन होना चाहिए। अनुभव, इट विल मेक सेंस।
मार्केट गिरेगी उसके बाद ही हम ओवर परफॉर्मेंस चालू करेंगे, तब तक मार्केट नहीं गिरती तब तक हम अंडर परफॉर्म भी करेंगे।
एक्चुअली एग्जैक्टली ऐसा नहीं है, बीच में भी बहुत सारे मौके होते हैं, पर फिर भी आपका समझना एक क्रूड सेंस में करेक्ट है कि देखो अपन है ना मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस खरीदते हैं, समझिए, तो मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस खरीदे क्या मीनिंग होता है, इस बार प्रीमियम पे किया, कोई बीमार नहीं पड़ा तो प्रीमियम लगा हुआ ही है। दूसरे साल, तीसरे साल, फिर चौथे 5वें साल में घर का एक सदस्य हॉस्पिटल जाता है तब फील होता है जितना प्रीमियम पे किया उससे ज्यादा रिसीव कर लिया। तो मुद्दा है आपने यहाँ पे दो चीजों के एडवांटेज लिए हैं, एक डाउन साइड में काम कर रहा है, एक अप साइड में काम कर रहा है। समझिए क्या, एक साइड में आपने प्रोटेक्शन लिया, मार्केट टूटता है तो वो आपके लिए काम करता है, यस और नो, और एक साइड में आपने फ्यूचर्स लिए, मार्केट बढ़ता है तो वो आपके फेवर में काम कर रहा है, यस और नो। तो नॉर्मली मार्केट में जब भी मूवमेंट्स होते हैं ना आपको अपने आप फील होगा कि मजा आ रहा है। जब भी मार्केट स्टेगनेंट पड़ा होगा तो आपकी कॉस्ट लग रही है, साल का 3-4% लग गया, आया कुछ भी नहीं। गॉट इट?
ठीक है। और एक जैसे 18.9% का कैगर है अपना, तो वैसे निफ्टी का अगर हम कैगर देखें तो 12% 15% रहता है, लेकिन हम इसी को ट्रैक कर रहे हैं और इससे ज्यादा रिटर्न कमा रहे हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सा मेरे को कैलकुलेशन मतलब समझ में नहीं आई मेरे को।
समझ में एकदम लॉजिकल पॉइंट है। इसमें पॉइंट ये है कि सचमुच में जिसे हम कॉस्ट गिन रहे हैं रियल में वो हमारे लिए कॉस्ट है क्या? आप 5% अगर साल का प्रोटेक्शन का कॉस्ट पे करते हो और आप 2-3% उसके कारण लेवरेज का यूज करके ब्याज बचा लेते हो, बचाया कि नहीं बचाया आपने? बचेगा कि नहीं बचेगा? तो आपकी नेट अगर 3-3.5% की कॉस्ट है, तो 3-3.5% की आपने एक साल की कॉस्ट लगाई मानो, तो 10 साल के अंदर में आपने कितना प्रीमियम पे किया? तो 35% का प्रीमियम पे कर दिया। तो 10 साल में ओवरऑल जितने फॉल आए उन सबको गिनो, तो 35% से ज्यादा फॉल हो जाएंगे कि नहीं हो जाएंगे? एक एक साल में कई बार बाजार 40-40, 50-50% टूट जाता है। तो ओवरऑल जितना आपने प्रीमियम पे किया उससे ज्यादा अगर आपने रिसीव कर लिया तो आपका CAGR बढ़ जाएगा कि नहीं बढ़ जाएगा?
ओके।
पॉइंट तो इतना ही है ना भैया, आपने प्रोटेक्शन का कॉस्ट लिया, इसका मतलब आपने एक और इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है जो मार्केट टूटता है तब काम करता है, और वो डबल काम करता है। मार्केट टूटता है तो आप टूटते नहीं और आपके नंबर ऑफ यूनिट्स बढ़ जाते हैं, तो अगली बार जब मार्केट रिकवर होता है तब क्या होता है? आप नया हाई बना लेते हो। 4 साल में मार्केट 10,000 का 10,000 था, आपका 1 करोड़ 1.54 करोड़ कैसे पहुंचा था? बाजार तो वहीं का वहीं था। ये आंसर है उसका। तो हमारा ये कहना नहीं है कि हम आउट परफॉर्म करेंगे। मैं तो बोलता हूं इंडेक्स से कम रिटर्न आया ना तो भी अच्छा है। समझने जैसे आप रिस्क कितनी ले रहे हो। यदि आपका पैसा कभी भी करोड़ 96 लाख के नीचे नहीं जाता है तो आपको तो रिस्क एडजस्टेड रिटर्न ही देखना है ना। एक साइड में तो हम FD के 6% में भी खुश हैं और एक साइड में हम 15% में भी खुश नहीं है, और व्यक्ति वो का वही है एक ही। तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर इज अ ब्रिज बिटवीन दीज टू थिंग्स। सेफ्टी भी हो और ग्रोथ भी हो, तो लॉन्ग रन में अपने आप ग्रो हो जाएंगे। गॉट इट?
अच्छा, एक चीज और थी, जैसे सॉरी क्या क्वेश्चन था, हाँ, जैसे इंडिया तो भी ग्रोइंग स्टेज में है, तो इसलिए हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि निफ्टी ग्रो करेगा, बिकॉज अभी तो हम डेवलपिंग नेशन है, लेकिन 10 साल बाद 20 साल बाद जैसे जापान ग्रो नहीं करता, कुछ कंट्रीज हैं जो ग्रो नहीं करती, तो ऐसा हमारा भी कोई स्टेट आएगा आने वाले टाइम में कि हाँ
आएगा ही, क्यों नहीं आएगा? हर चीज जीवन में देखने को मिलने वाली है, और अगर अपन नहीं देखेंगे तो अपनी आने वाली जनरेशन देखेगी। सब समय आएंगे
मतलब
एंड वी
अब क्या
नीड टू बी रेडी फॉर दैट। हमने इसको पूरा निकेई पे भी टेस्ट किया। निकेई का ये क्वेश्चन आता ही है कि पिछले 30 साल में इंडेक्स वहीं का वहीं पड़ा है, आज उल्टा थोड़ा नीचे है, तो क्या रिटर्न आया क्या? तो हमको समझना है रिटर्न किस चीज का है। पता है क्या आपको? रिटर्न है कि बीच के जो फ्लक्चुएशन है वो भी पैसा बना रहे हैं। जब मार्केट टूटता है और यदि आप नहीं टूटते हो, बीच में बढ़ता है तो आप बढ़ जाते हो, तो ओवरऑल आप रिटर्न जनरेट कर लेते हो। हालांकि कोई वो पॉइंट नहीं है कि आप हर तरह से एकदम श्योर जनरेट रिटर्न हो जाएगा, ऐसा कोई कमिटमेंट नहीं है इसमें। ये एक फिलोसॉफी है। आपके जितने इन्वेस्टमेंट उसमें एक छोटा पोर्टफोलियो आप ये भी कर सकते हो जहां पे आप सेफ्टी के साथ में ग्रो। गॉट इट अनुभव? तो बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछे आपने अनुभव, ये कई लोगों को मदद करेंगे ये क्वेश्चंस, है ना? वेरी नाइसली यू रेज्ड इट, थैंक यू, थैंक्स। यस शिवा, और उसके बाद में मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन लेता हूँ। सिद्धार्थ का क्वेश्चन है, मुकुंद का क्वेश्चन है, कुछ यूट्यूब से, है ना? आई विल टेक इट। या
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून, हाउ आर यू?
Thank you, sir. Fine. It's a nice, very nice explanation.
Thank you.
But I would like to know if we could use our own accounts like Zerodha or any Demat account and do all these actions as directed by you, or you would do all these transactions on our behalf.
Okay, so we always prefer that you do all the transaction as per our direction.
So
So
that
if
means
you are
we should
having,
we should be every day involved in this.
no,
Every day.
not every day. The total number of trades are on an average 12 to 15 only for a year. तो महीने में एक बार ट्रेड आने वाला है मोटा मोटा।
Okay, okay.
This
So
is a long term strategy. रोज ट्रेड नहीं करना है शिवा यहाँ पे। नंबर
suppose if it's, as you said, 5%, we are on a put option. If the price falls to that level, do we need to take action immediately?
not immediately. We will send you the advisory whenever we get the call from algorithm that now the cost is very reasonable and we should shift it. So at the time we will advise you. During that advice, it doesn't mean that on that same moment you need to execute the trade. No, you will get sufficient time. आपने एक दिन 2 दिन में भी वो ट्रेड किया ना तो चलता है, क्योंकि हम लोग कोई ओपन नेकेड पोजीशन वाला ट्रेड नहीं है. एवरी टाइम वी आर हैविंग लॉन्ग एज वेल एज शॉर्ट ट्रेड. हमेशा आपके पास ट्रेड 2 ही आएंगे, एक लॉन्ग करो एक शॉर्ट करो, एक लॉन्ग करो एक शॉर्ट.
It's not necessary during working hours only. You can do it any other time.
नॉर्मली अपने इंडियन मार्केट में तो वर्किंग आवर्स में तो ट्रेड करना पड़ेगा ना, वो जो 9:15 to 3:30 उसी में ट्रेड करना पड़ेगा. पर साथ में इफ यू वांट कि भाई एग्जीक्यूशन में मुझे स्ट्रेस आ सकता है कि मैं कहीं पे जॉब पे रहूं और मैं उस समय अवेलेबल ना रहूं, तो क्या करना चाहिए? तो वी आर हैविंग टाई अप विद लॉट मेनी मेंबर्स. दोज मेंबर अंडरस्टैंड दिस स्ट्रेटेजी. They are having their RMs with them. So what they can do, they can open your account with them, and on behalf of you, whenever you will send the instruction, हम आपको ईमेल पे एडवाइस भेजेंगे, आप उसको कंफर्मेशन भेजोगे तो वो मेंबर को भी आप भेज पाओगे. तो मेंबर ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ यू पूरा राइटिंग में इंस्ट्रक्शन आया हुआ वो ट्रेड मार देंगे. So this is very simple. We can also help in that.
So do we have additional expenditure for that? Somebody
No expenditure. जो ब्रोकरेज आप पे करते हो, ऐसा हो सकता है कि जीरोधा का ब्रोकरेज और थोड़ा कम हो, इन लोगों का ब्रोकरेज भी बहुत रीजनेबल होता है, बट वो आपका काम है. आप उनके साथ में जो नेगोशिएट करना चाहें, हम आपको लिस्ट दे दिए, आप उसमें से जिसके साथ बात करना चाहें, आपको जैसा मेंबर सिलेक्ट करना हो, यू कैन डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, है ना. उसमें हमारा काम नहीं है.
Yeah, and your 6 monthly charge, is it the same irrespective of the plan?
Yeah, it is same irrespective of the plan.
Yeah, because in the lower investment category, we are not putting that much amount.
So in
the plan B, yeah,
right. So उसके अंदर में एक्चुअली हमको आपसे ज्यादा फी लेनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हम आपको कम इन्वेस्टमेंट के अंदर में ज्यादा एक्सपोजर हैंडल करने का मदद करते हैं, पर हम वो एक्स्ट्रा नहीं ले रहे हैं आपसे. just joke apart, है ना. So all the plans are having same fee. Whenever you want to switch, you can switch. Sometime we also advise you. टाइम आता है, मार्केट टूटता है, बढ़ता है, तो हम एडवाइस करते हैं अभी आप इस प्लान से इस प्लान में शिफ्ट हो जाइए. इट विल मेक सेंस. You can do that also.
How long this plan has been going on?
So कम से कम 20-25 साल, 30 साल, 50, 100, 200 साल.
No. From your Finideas has been doing this for.
Okay, so we are doing the real trade since 2014.
Oh, that's quite long. Okay.
Yeah, 8 years.
So the annual charges, 6 monthly charges are payable monthly, or we have to do it at a time?
6 monthly you need to pay. So in October month you will pay for the period of October to March. Then in April you will pay for the period of April to September. So every October and every April you are going to pay the fee.
So if you take the minimum basic lot, the minimum lot which you have mentioned, I think current price is around 7,500 something,
17,500.
Yeah, 17,500. So what would be the approximate minimum investment to start with?
So 17,000 multiplied by 50. So that will come around 8.5 lakh or 8.75 lakh rupee. So that 8.75 lakh rupee is the exposure.
Yeah.
Now
30% of this.
After your KYC, if you become eligible for basic plan, then that 8 lakh or 9 lakh rupee ka 30%, that will come around 2.7 lakh rupee only in basic plan.
Okay. So rest of it we can feel like investing on our own, or we have to show that actual 8 lakh in balance.
So not exactly actual you need to show, but we want you to put that money somewhere else, and that money should be safe.
Yes. So that we will so that we should manage for the expenditure. Cost.
Yes.
Fine, sir. Thank you. Very clear.
तो बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे. ऑल टुगेदर ये नए क्वेश्चंस थे, तो कई लोगों को इससे मदद मिलेगी, है ना, जब वो ये रिपोर्ट करेंगे.
Because everyone, I think for me example, I cannot use this kind at this time. I'm rarely available. So today I got this opportunity to be with you. I'm very thankful.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Anybody else who want to ask any question? You can raise your hand. और अच्छा, मैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन लेता हूँ. अनुभव का क्वेश्चन हमने चैट पे आया हुआ है, पर वो हमने ले लिया है. राजेंद्र का क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज रिटर्न इफ वी विल इन्वेस्ट SIP ₹10,000 पर मंथ ऑल दीज 3 प्लान. तो देखो, तीनों प्लान के अंदर राजेंद्र का क्वेश्चन बहुत रीजनेबल है. नॉर्मली सब लोग का ये मानना है कि भाई रिटर्न्स जो है वो तो हम लोग हमारे इन्वेस्टमेंट, मतलब हमने पावर बूस्टर में 10% डाला है, तो रिटर्न्स क्या होंगे हमारे. तो रिटर्न्स आपको हमेशा फुल एक्सपोजर पे ही गिनने हैं. हम लोग रिटर्न किस पे गिन रहे हैं? पूरे करोड़ पे रिटर्न गिन रहे हैं। तो करोड़ के ऊपर में वो 18.90% का CAGR रिटर्न जनरेट हुआ पास्ट डेटा पे। कैसे रिटर्न गिना गया? जो कॉस्ट लगी है वो कॉस्ट को रिड्यूस कर दिया गया राजेंद्र जी, और जो इंटरेस्ट इनकम आई, मान लो बेसिक प्लान है तो 70% पे आपको इंटरेस्ट बच रहा है, तो वो इंटरेस्ट इनकम जोड़ दिया, या पावर बूस्ट है तो 90% पे बच रहा है तो उस पे जोड़ दिया। तो उन दोनों को जोड़ के ओवरऑल 18.90% का रिटर्न पूरे करोड़ पे आया है। तो इस तरीके से पूरा रिटर्न गिना जाता है। तो तीनों प्लान के अंदर रिटर्न्स आर गोइंग टू रिमेन ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर। सो इफ यू गॉट द आंसर राजेंद्र जी, राइट डाउन यस। ओके, उनका एक और क्वेश्चन है, एंड फॉर SIP which plan is better for at least 2 years SIP इन्वेस्टमेंट? सो लॉजिकली 2 साल का ही SIP इन्वेस्टमेंट में कौन सा प्लान बेटर होगा? तो आपको कुछ रिलैक्स और बेसिक का कॉम्बो बनाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि कम से कम 4-5 साल का होराइजन होना चाहिए आपका। पिछले पास्ट के अंदर में 2014, 15 और 16 3 साल तक इंडेक्स 8,000 और 8,000 के आसपास में रहा था। तो 2-3 साल तो पास्ट में बाजार रहा हुआ है एक जैसा। तो आपको मान के चलना होगा कि आगे भविष्य में 4-5 साल तक भी मार्केट आपसे SIP मांग सकता है। तो राजेंद्र जी, यू शुड हैव दी SIP प्रोविजन फॉर नेक्स्ट एटलीस्ट 5 years. If you got the answer, write down yes. Okay, the next question is from Siddharth. Hi Govind, nice presentation. Can you tell me how protection works in more detail, please? So Siddharth, we have already understood that we buy the put option for the protection. We normally buy the at the money put option and no long-term put options. So long-term put options are having reasonable cost, as well as we are getting the protection for long-term. So if you got the answer, write down yes. Thank you. Then there is a question from Ashray. In Relax plan, where is that money is invested? Is there any risk involved in it? So Ashray from YouTube, the question is very logical. We will provide you different kind of debt plans. We normally try to find out the debt plans having AA, AAA rating, but still we cannot say that there is zero risk over there. No, you can invest your money in RBI bonds also. The strength of RBI bond is that is the most safe thing. But the problem with RBI bond is that you need to put your money for 7 years lock-in. So if you are happy with that, you can choose it. The one more point that RBI bonds are having different tax rates, means you are going to be taxed every year as income from other sources. So we will give you different kind of plans where you can generate tax benefit also, as well as you can have the safety. So accordingly, you can go ahead. So if you got the answer, Ashray, write down yes. Then the question is from Jigesh Chawla. What if market keep going down years? Okay. So if market fall down year on year, that is the question from Jogesh. So at the time you are going to have that limited risk a year. That is 3 to 4% a year. So suppose if this year market has fallen down by 10%, you are losing 3.5%. Next year again market has fallen down, again you will lose. Again market has fallen down, you will lose. But the good point is every year your number of equity is rising. Your cost of acquisition is falling down. And now after 3, 4, 5 years, suppose market has started falling down from 18,000. In 5 years it reached to 8,000. Now next year when market will rise from 8 to 12 only, you are going to generate 50% return. So Jogesh, if you got the answer, write down yes. Okay, Rajendra ji का एक और क्वेश्चन है, पॉइंट है, SIP इन्वेस्टमेंट इज बेटर और लम सम एट अ टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट इज बेटर फॉर 5 lakh rupee. Rajendra ji, for that we will require your KYC. Complete your KYC. We would like to understand your profile. What is your age? How many dependent people are there in your family on you? And how much investment you have already done? So these kind of questions are already there. If you can write down the answer of all these questions, yes, thank you. Then we can, our team will automatically give you the answer. Okay. Then Deepak ji, what is there between yours and any other index mutual fund? What is the difference between your and any other index mutual fund? Okay. So the basic difference is in index mutual fund, we also invest money in index mutual fund. That is ETFs are index mutual fund only. But simultaneously, we have added few more riders. The first rider is we want to have limited risk. So we always take protection. We believe that protection is not the cost for us. We pay 5% a year. We receive one or two times in 10 years the same premium. क्योंकि एक बार भरा, दो बार भरा, तीन बार भरा, जब मार्केट टूटता है तो पूरा डिफरेंस मिला, ऑटोमेटिकली सब कवर हो जाता है. So first point is we always take protection. The second point is we try to take the advantage of interest arbitrage also. We understand that index funds require full 100% money. Index futures requires only margin. But index futures are costing us around 4 to 5% a year only. Because of that, we get the idle money. हमारे पास पैसा free रह जाता है. We can generate more interest on that. So by that way, we can generate little bit higher with safety. So Deepak, if you got the answer, write down yes. Okay, one more question is from Jogesh. Can we have similar approach for top 3 companies in index? So we can have that, Jogesh. But the problem is we are not having the long-term protection or long-term put option in stocks as of now. So because of that, the cost of protection reach very high. It moves to a very high level. So that is why we are not using as of now. But we are already having the research on that. Very soon we will come with those kind of solution also. Jogesh. Great. Can we use put option? One more question is from Jogesh. Can we use put option of index as protection? So that will not give you the perfect protection. Are you getting this? You can check you can understand or you can correlate it. Like Satyam was also a good stock once upon a time. Then what happened? Because of some fraud that came later on, it fell down sharply. But market has not fallen down to that extent. So how you are going to get it protected? So that we need to understand the beta and everything. But still we will have some unexpected risk over there. While here in this product, as of now, you are buying Nifty only. You are buying Nifty futures only. You are taking the put of Nifty only. So everything is same. So you are completely protected. That is the difference. So you have asked a very nice question. Okay, there is one more raise hand from Shankar. So Shankar, I am giving you the chance to unmute yourself. If possible, kindly start your video also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Shankar.
I think, sir, one instead of put option, can we, write a call option with whatever percentage of percentage you're telling, right? Which works out to 5% of premium.
So Shankar.
Second point. Okay, shall I complete my question, sir?
First, let me complete the answer of this.
Okay.
So instead of buying put, can we write the upper side call option that can give us 5% protection?
Yeah.
Try to understand. If you sell the call option, you have differentiated this strategy with something else, because after selling that call option, number one, downside you are going to have still unlimited losses. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because you are going to get the limited premium only. And upside, you have restricted your profit. I am not saying that selling call is not a good thing, but this strategy is not going to match with selling call option, because we are going to use leverage over here. 30 रुपए में आपने 100 का काम किया है, बाजार इस साल कोरोना का जैसा टाइम आ गया, market has fallen down to 40%. What are we going to do?
Okay.
Got it? So try to understand it. Yeah. What is your next question?
That you have partially answered about the bonds. I mean, about the what is it called? Bonds which you are suggesting, right? So you will be suggesting us which will be beneficial for us other than the RBI bonds. You will be suggesting few other options, right? For us, if
right.
That you will take care of it, right? You will suggest and we can get started with that.
Yes. That okay. You can. We will give you the choice. Got it? Thank you. Okay, one more point has come from Jogesh. Can we sell additional call to recover some cost of protection? You can do that. So we are having one more version of this strategy called Bullseye Strategy. In Bullseye Strategy, we do the index long-term strategy and simultaneously we sell the upper strike call. So that is also possible. If you want, you can choose that also. Our team will help you in that. So I hope that we have given the answer to all the questions. I am very happy to see that it is 5:50 as of now and still you have joined us. This proves that you want to achieve financial freedom. So for this, we expect or we wish to all of you, on behalf of Finideas, myself, CA Govind Jhamar, I wish that you generate huge wealth in your life. You enjoy that wealth, you grow that wealth, and you teach all this wisdom to your next generation also, so that you and your next generation all can achieve financial freedom. आपके जीवन में खूब सुख, शांति, समृद्धि आए, इसी शुभकामनाओं के साथ में मैं गोविंद जौहर विदा लेता हूं, और मैं आप सब लोगों से ये एक्सपेक्टेशन रखता हूं कि दोबारा इसी तरह से वेबिनार में आते रहिए, मिलते रहिए, जुड़ते रहिए, और अपने सराउंडिंग को भी जोड़ते रहिए, क्योंकि जितना शेयर आप करेंगे उतना ही आपको भी रिसीव होगा. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम में. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, थैंक्स अ लॉट. जय श्री कृष्णा दीपक, थैंक यू, या थैंक्स, बाय बाय.